Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's video we've got the LawMate PV-RC10. So this is a remote, it looks like a TV remote. We'll go ahead and open the box, I'll show you what I mean. So in the box we have our instruction guide. We have our RC10 remote. I'll just take it out of its little housing. There we go. Looks like a TIAC remote. We also have, under here, we have our micro USB cable to charge it, our lithium ion battery, and our 16 gig micro SD card that all LawMate products come included with when you purchase them from the spystore.com.au. What I'm going to go ahead and do, guys, is get you to join me on the other side, and then we'll run through all the controls on the unit. There's no wireless on it, so it's pretty much just a set and forget unit, but it will do motion detection and all that sort of stuff. So come join me on the other side of the table, and we'll run through all that for you. So it's very tactile, it feels like a normal remote. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick that up on the mic, but it does have quite a good feel to it. It is a non-functioning remote, so it will not control your TV, it is just a hidden camera. On the back side of it, we've got our back panel, so we're just going to slide this off and expose all our controls. So down the bottom here we have our power on-off control, we have our override on-off control, we have our motion detection or continuous button, and we have our photo or video button. So you can set up however you want. If you wanted to set up it in photo, it will take 3 photos motion activated, so that makes it nice and easy and will conserve battery a little bit longer. This unit should get approximately 2 hours on, so you can break that up however you want. If it's going in a low traffic area, that could potentially lead you to a number of days before you have to go and recharge it. But yeah, pretty handy little unit. It is full HD, it does do 30 frames a second, and it has a 66-degree wide-angle lens on it, so you've got quite a field of view on it. To install the memory card, you've got the port in the bottom here, and we've got a little icon at the top. So we want to go in with our words facing the words, and we just want to push it until it clicks, just like that. We then go ahead and get our battery, load that in, just like that. We can then go ahead and turn on the unit, and we'll have a bunch of little lights come up under here, indicating that we're now working and everything's all good to go. So we can now reinstall our cover. We can go ahead and set up our little remote in a location and go and return to it once we've got any evidence that we've needed to collect. Alright guys, so here we are with the LawMate text file that we need to create to alter the time and date. So if you're in a state other than WA, you'll probably need to alter this when it gets to you. So all you want to do is you want to right click new, and then we want to create text document, and we want to create a text document called set time, all one word, all lowercase. Make sure your micro SD card's the one inserted into the computer when you're doing all this, because otherwise it'll be null and void. We then want to double click on set time, and we want to put in the date by year, month, and then the day with little decimal points in between it. We then want to leave a space, and we want to enter the time, 11:39 and an amount of seconds. And we want to make sure that we click file and then save, and then we want to click file and exit. If we just close it, it won't save it, so you want to go through that process. We then eject it, and we're good to go. And that's how you create the time file on the units. If you have any further questions, please give us a call on 0864543871 or send us an email, support@thespystore.com.au. Don't forget to check out our website too if you want to purchase any of these products, www.thespystore.com.au. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.